Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Asset management and project financing firm Moneymasters has signed an agreement for VM Wealth Management to be its lead broker. The company says this forms part of preparation for an upcoming transaction. The nature of the transaction was not disclosed. However, President of Moneymasters, Claudette Crooks, says it expects that this major investment should realize significant returns for investors. To some monetary policy news now, the Jamaican dollar realized a 0.1% depreciation compared to the U.S. currency for the April to June quarter. The Planning Institute of Jamaica, TVJ, says this reflects a slower rate of movement compared to last year. This was a more favorable movement compared to the same period last year, as was said by the Bank of Jamaica. The average exchange rate in dollar terms at the end of June was $151.56 for each U.S. dollar. That's compared to $153.78 at the end of March this year. The Bank of Jamaica has indicated that a number of interventions to stabilize the market have helped to slow the rate of depreciation. And despite more bank closures in 2021, the rollout of automated banking machines across the network has barely changed compared to 2020. The Planning Institute of Jamaica, in its latest Economic and Social Survey of Jamaica, found that there were 793 ABMs installed as of December 2021. That's just 2 more than 2020. Meanwhile, 47,366 point-of-sales terminals were in operation at the end of 2021. This reflected a 5.3% increase compared to the prior year. And let's head to the foreign exchange market. The US dollar is being sold for an average $151.57. $117.17 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $178.45 for the pound, while it's costing an average $153.14 for the euro. The JSE index gained 7,542 points today, while the junior market index rose by 4 points. Leading the advances were MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Stanley Motor, Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, Cargo Handlers, and Epley Caribbean Property Fund SCC, while leading the decliners were Medical Disposables and Supplies, Jamaican Teas, Iron Rock Insurance, T-Tech, and MFS Capital Partners, formerly SSL Venture Capital. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.